Now we will talk about the anatomy of a command. All AutoCAD command works in a similar way. When you pick a command, keep an eye down at the command line because AutoCAD tells you what it needs. Select a line command by clicking on the line icon, for example. At the command line, you can see that AutoCAD is telling you what it needs to complete the selected command. Left-click to pick a point on your model space. Join me in picking extra points. Now, you can see that the command line words has changed. AutoCAD is not just asking for another point, but there are now sub-options in a square bracket. Sub-options are more options which are available inside an active command. Here are 3 ways to access sub-options. The choice is yours. One way is by typing the capitalized letter of the option. For example, to undo one segment, I'll type U and hit enter. Another way to access this option is by right-clicking and you will find the option right here in the menu. I'll still undo to go back one more segment. The last way, which is the easiest way to access this option, is to go down to the command line and click it. I will just click on close to close the shape. To relaunch previous command, click on the spacebar or enter key on your keyboard. While to exit any active command, press the escape key and AutoCAD will hold that command in its track. Whenever I'm learning a new application as bulky as AutoCAD, one of my many questions is, what does this icon do? And the quicker I get answers to my question, the faster I learn the application. Well, with the help features, I can get answers to questions faster. So let's install the help features of this 2021 version of AutoCAD. I would like you to go up and click the arrow button beside the help icon here. Choose Download Offline Help. It will open up a web page on your browser. On the web page that opens, select your preferred language. Mine is English. I'm using an IDM to download mine. Your download process will definitely be different. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and install it. This process might take a while. Mine took about 6 minutes, so feel free to pause the video as you wait for your download, extraction, and installation. Now we've installed the help feature of this AutoCAD version. Whenever you place your cursor on this icon, AutoCAD will tell you the command the icon launches. If you wait a little bit longer, AutoCAD will give you more information in the form of an extended tooltip. Now, if you need to know more about this command, note what it says at the bottom of the tooltip. Yes, pressing F1 brings up content-sensitive help for this specific command. From here, I can find out everything about the command. If you select any command and press F1 key while the command is still active, AutoCAD will bring up the help features related to that command. When you are done with the dialog box, you can close it and AutoCAD picks up from where it left off. You can use the search bar at the top of the interface to find answers to your questions. Type press pull for instance and hit enter. Now AutoCAD searches the help documentation as well as the user guide and developer information and displays all this information about the keyword, in this case, press pull for me. On the left hand are several options to choose from. For more general purpose help, you can use the help icon on the right corner of your interface. This will bring up AutoCAD Help window, which contains sample content, tutorials, and more. At this point, we've come to an end of our user interface lesson. But like I promised, here are some lists of AutoCAD shortcuts. You can pause the video and note them. Also watch out for the next video coming up. That will be on drawing management. Thank you so much for watching.